Q3 Week 5 Reading Test. Last name, first name, start time. Number 1. How is the narrator different from the other characters? A. The narrator is not present on the stage. B. The narrator speaks only to the audience. C. The narrator acts out the events of the play. D. The narrator shares his feelings with the audience. Number 2. How are scene 1 and scene 2 connected? A. Scene 1 describes the farm, and scene 2 tells why it is important. B. Scene 1 happens in the morning, and scene 2 takes place that night. C. Scene 1 presents the characters, and scene 2 explain the problem. D. Scene 1 tells about the problem, and scene 2 explains how it is solved. Use anchor chart to help you answer question below. Number 3. What is the theme of the play? A. Treat other people fairly. B. It is important to work hard. C. It is good to ask others for help when needed. D. Sometimes problems are solved in surprising ways. Number 4. What is one of the main conflicts in the story? A. Kurt is not strong enough to work in the fields. B. Kurt wants his brothers to let him help them around the farm. C. Kurt is unsure how he will fill the barn. D. Otto could sell the farm to a stranger. Number 5. What is the resolution of the play? A. All the brothers agree to work the farm together. B. The other brothers move away, leaving the farm to Kurt. C. The father can't decide between his sons, so he sells the farm to a stranger. D. The oldest brother wins the contest and gets to run the farm. Section 2. James the Vine Puller. Number 6. Read the sentence from Act 1, Scene 1. Elephant came crashing through the bush. Why does the author use crashing instead of walking in the sentence above? A. To show that the elephant is fast. B. To show that the elephant is mean. C. To show that the elephant is strong. D. To show that the elephant is careless. Number 7. In Act 1, Scene 1, why does James go to the ocean? A. He is looking for a new place to eat. B. He goes every day to watch the sunset. C. He wants something other than coconuts. D. He is going to invite animals to a contest. Number 8. Why is the dream James has at the end of scene 1 important to scene 2? A. It shows why James is mad at the other animals. B. It shows that James is still hungry. C. It shows what James is going to do next. D. It shows how James thinks of an idea. Number 9. How is the narrator different from James, elephant, and whale? A. The narrator does not speak. B. The narrator is not on the stage. C. The narrator does not act out the story. D. The narrator is not sure what is happening. Number 10. What is the theme of the play? A. Treat everyone with kindness and respect. B. Being smart is important. is as important as being strong. C, being a good ruler means sharing with others. D, those who believe in themselves can do anything.